Hey Armando, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry it took a little bit for me to get these videos to you. I've had some technical difficulties on my side. I finally resolved that, and I think we're able to move forward. So I have two tickers from you. The first one is SMH, which is the Van Eck Vector Semiconductor ETF, a very popular semiconductors ETF. And so we're going to start from the beginning. It was incepted back in 1998. Had a nice up, down, up, all this stuff into 2009. And from there, it's really blasted off from about 13 or so all the way up to 90 in a heck of a move, obviously, over the course of the past 9 years or so, just about 9 years. So overall, this is really bullish stuff. One thing you might notice is that it looks like one large five-wave advance. And once this five-wave advance completes, we're going to see a significantly larger pullback. So that is something on the horizon. It does not look like this five-wave advance is completed yet. There's still some bullish potential to the upside before it's there. So that's the important thing, and I think you need to remain bullish overall with the understanding that, like the overall market, it looks like the move off of the 2008/2009 low is coming towards an end in the not-too-distant future. So let's go ahead and zoom in and take a look at what's going on more proximally. This is the advance off the 2015 low. It's a big five-wave advance that's in process, and it's not over. So again, that's bullish stuff. Again, it looks like it's not too far. I mean, it's pretty deep into the move, so there's not maybe a world of potential upside still, but until it ends, you have to expect it to continue, and you can trade it as such. So let's continue to zoom in. I think this is the most bullish thing that we'll see, other than the fact that it's been heading up straight for the past 8 years. What's really bullish is the fact that this pullback in June is a very clear three-wave move. So this is a counter-trend move, and it makes it super clear that the advance is not over. So if you had any doubts about what the nature of this decline was, it's clear here, and it's just a stair step to higher levels. So there's two ways that you can look at this pullback. One is shown here. Basically, it says the pullback ended at the start of July, and the uptrend has resumed from there. The other possibility is that the pullback is still in play, and that a larger three-wave pullback is going to form before the uptrend resumes. So here's how I would play it. I don't know if you own it yet or not. If you don't, I think you could buy it if it moves above 89. That would be a pretty good sign that it's going and ready to resume its uptrend. Conversely, if it ever moves below 83.50 at any point, that indicates that this pullback is not yet over, and you would expect a test basically of this low here around 81 before the uptrend resumes. So I think a good buying opportunity would be a move above 89 with the initial stop at 83.50, and we can continue to trail it higher as SMH breaks out and get quite a bit higher. Once it moves up to about 91 or 92, you could move it all the way up to about 87 with your stop level. So I do think it's bullish. I think it's a buying opportunity. I would use 89 as your cue to get long, of course, unless it breaks down and moves below 83.50 first. So we are bullish and think it is a good buying opportunity. I hope that's helpful. I will get to your other ETF momentarily. Thanks.